So they say cold weather brings out the worst in vehicle problems, or at least makes them evident, especially when it comes to batteries. But in this case, what I've got here is a 2003 GMC Safari that developed a massive coolant leak very suddenly. Luckily, the vehicle wasn't going anywhere at the time. It was just started up and warming up. And all of a sudden, coolant started pouring out of the car onto the ground. And that's because this drain plug here, as you can see, has literally broken. Here's the new one, and fortunately, I think this is going to be a really easy fix. I might even be so lucky as to just push this new one in, but I'm going to try to replace the little housing here that snaps into the radiator as well. But it's just a piece of plastic, and as you can see, it broke off there. All the coolant dumped out. So wow, great design. I mean, what if you're on the highway and that happens? So it might not be a bad idea to keep one of those in your glove compartment if you have one of these vehicles. So of course we lost all the coolant, and but luckily the vehicle was just parked here at the house along the street, so had a trail of orange run down the street, but other than that, nothing else. I got my Fusion here with LED headlights on. Don't even have to run the engine because those LEDs pull so little power, but so that's my flashlight for now. I'm gonna crawl under the van and see if I can get this other plastic housing piece out. If not, I'm just going to put the new drain plug in and thread it in, hope for the best. So let's see how this goes. So I got lucky and I was able to get the other plastic piece out with a pick tool, but in a worst case scenario, you can just thread the little plug back into the existing piece. But if you get lucky like I did, make sure when you install the drain plug that you install it with the two little prongs, as you see there, facing horizontally to the left and the right. So literally, this is all that's to it. This little plug just pushes into the radiator, like so. So you can see how that's in there now, and it won't back out again. And then you literally just thread it in. And that's literally all that's to it. Oh, piece of plastic right there is literally what holds all your coolant in the cooling system. So, all right, let's fill it up and hope for no leaks. So I've got a mix of 50/50 Dexcool here in this diesel exhaust fluid container. And I like it because of the filler neck that it has on it. You can easily fill without spilling because it's like having a built-in funnel. So I can just fill this cooling system up and hope and pray for no leaks. So here we are. No more coolant leaks. Cooling system has pressure. Got a reservoir topped off there. Radiator cap is tight. We got heat coming out of the vents, and our engine temperature is normal. Well, I hope you guys found this helpful. Maybe somebody on the side of the road with a GMC Safari or a Chevy Astro that suddenly lost all its coolant. Maybe this video will help you and get you back on the road. Alright guys, stay warm out there. Give the video a thumbs up if you like it, and I'll see you next time.